We've got a crazy storm outside. We've got a really crazy storm. Like, really crazy. It is raining, a lot of lightning. We have like this cell right over us right now, and you can see the wind is really blowing. Like, really hard. Oh my god. Well, everyone, another storm. Whoop-de-doo. It's just great. Just great. A lot of thunder. Let's see if I can. That. It's really windy. The cell is literally right over us right now. Wow. Ooh. 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 Oh my good god. Hey, one more. It's really windy. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Stuff is falling off my thing. Dang. That was a gust. Wow. I haven't had one of these go by in a while. A lot of lightning. A lot of lightning. Wow. It's really windy. Springtime, everyone. Thunderstorms. Although we really don't get them that often, but oh, we're sure getting them this time. Just hear that. Oh my. Like, this cell is literally right over us right now. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, my mom's on the phone. This thing here. Oh my gosh, this thing is violent. Some trees, man. Got my window fully open. Bugs are gonna get in here. The storm just passed my aunt and uncle's, so they're just seeing it behind them now, and it's just hitting me. Raining it? Yep, it's starting to rain now. Wow. Ah! It's starting to get wet. It's starting to feel the rain now. Great. Man, this thing is just crazy. Man, thunder! Whoa, that's cool. That's Skype. Hold on. Oh, I gotta cut this short. So, I'll catch you guys in a bit. See ya.